In this video, we will review Vireon Sweet Spot Pillow and see if it's actually worth the money. As you can see, Vireon Sweet Spot Pillow is a versatile, ergonomically designed memory foam wedge pillow crafted to enhance comfort, support, and intimacy for couples. So for the key features, it has ergonomic support. It's also versatile with durable and hygienic high elasticity memory foam. It's generally sized around 24 by 18 by 10 inches, which is large enough to provide stability. Now, let's actually talk about its performance. So, as you can see, it's marketed as a sweet spots tool. It helps maintain optimal angles. Users have noted its soft yet supportive feel with velvet-like texture that provides comfort without creating excessive pressure. It's also having a removable cover, which is good. So, some key considerations is its substantial, firm, and relatively large item. It's designed primarily for angle support, which may feel different from traditional pillows. So, that's all there is today, and I hope this feature helped you out.